Hello, Andy here. Today I'd like to tell you about our latest release, version 0.5 of GoodData for Visual Studio Code. From the very beginning, our goal with the Visual Studio Code extension was to bring the best possible developer experience to analytical project builders. Now we are bringing a sizable improvement in that regard. First of all, we've added rename symbol feature to the extension. Whenever you're updating an ID of an object in the workspace, it will automatically update the ID everywhere this object is used. This feature even works when renaming files. Next, we have GoToDefinition feature. Whenever you encounter an ID in a YAML file and you want to see the definition of that object, you can simply command-click or control-click on the ID. And this works in the other direction too, with GoToReference. Together with the new feature release, we did some bug squashing and brought visualizations and dashboards from alpha to beta. This means you no longer need the experimental feature flags in your GoodData YAML. This is all I have for you today. Make sure to like the video and subscribe so that you don't miss the next upload.